Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. So a quick little stock market update. What is causing this market volatility? Well, if you're part of my LPP team, I'm going to be adding a little bit more. I've been keeping them up to date. We finally are now trading above the moving average. So I just bought 5,000 more shares. We're seeing some higher highs, higher lows above the EMA now, finally breaking above the moving average, working our way back up to that 1730, 1740 pre-market resistance. So again, a goal is something to work towards, not something that has to play out exactly according to plan. But I most likely plan to reduce my position size as we approach that $1730, $1740 price point. One of the things that I need you guys to be aware about is what we talked about yesterday. There's a series of reports that are going to be released today. One is left. That's the FOMC minutes report. I am going to be live streaming that. Thank you to everyone that dropped a thumbs up on our video yesterday. Make sure you drop a thumbs up on this one as well. I will be live streaming at 2 p.m. Eastern time, a couple minutes before, because the FOMC minutes report is going to be coming out and the market will react. Even with what was already reported, the MBA, which is two and a half hours before the market opened, came in at negative 13.2%. But the most important one that has been reported already is the ISM Manufacturing Index, and that came in just a little bit below what was expected, 48.4% with the expectation of 48.5%, not very far off. JOLTS, which is the job openings for the month of November, came in a little bit lower than the previous of 10.5 million. This one came in at 10.458 million. So again, a little bit lower, which means that there was less jobs created in the month of November. Now we have the FOMC minutes report, which is again something that we've talked about so many times before. The FOMC minutes report is a reporting on the previous interest rate hike that the Federal Reserve has had, right? The 0.5% interest rate hike that they had in the month of December. This is pretty much just going to be a summary on how they came to that conclusion of 0.5% and pretty much just justifying it. Then 30 minutes after, Jerome Powell should be answering questions in a live stream. I'm going to be going live for pretty much an hour for free on this YouTube channel, hosting and catching the entire market reaction. So again, I've asked you guys once before, and if you guys want to tune on in, you don't have to do anything special. All you literally have to do is drop a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications, because if you don't turn them on, YouTube will not notify you when I go live. And I'm going to go live a little bit prior to that actual FOMC minutes report, just to make sure that we have time to collect our thoughts and prepare for the market's reaction. There it goes. This thing is still indicating signs of an uptrend. And again, I'm going to get one of my orders ready. I'm going to put 6,500 shares with a limit order, getting this ready to sell, and I'm going to do this right around 1730. So if I get filled, great. If not, I'm not too worried about it. That's a little bit over $100,000 worth of TQs, and I'm ready to lock in profits, locking in a green day after my little red day yesterday of a little bit over $1,400. So again, it's been a choppy start to the year. It doesn't mean that you need to, be scared to avoid all risk. A great way to manage risk is to manage your position size. So just make sure that you do not buy more than you can tolerate. Remember, this year is not the year to be perfect. It's just to implement progress, and that's all we're focused on within our Learn Plan Profit group. So again, you heard me talk about them in this video. They get to watch me trade live every single day. So if you're tired of guessing and you're ready to start learning, watch me trade live every day. You get access to our A to Z video lesson library that's designed for complete beginners. You also get access to our private group chat and access to the TechBuds HQ. It's all included, one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, that is all available in that second link down below. We are running our biggest sale right now, and there it goes. I just got filled with 6,500 shares. I'm going to let my Learn Plan Profit team know. So sold 6,500 shares of TQQQ, and it's still indicating signs of an uptrend. Something that people sometimes bring up is like, well, Ricky, what if it continues to rally? Well, guess what? We're approaching a previous resistance level, and if you look at the 5-minute time frame, you can see that old support levels become new resistance levels. This was a previous resistance on Friday as well. If we do break above that range, then I can always buy back in. But again, my job is not about the what if it continues to make me more money. That's the least of my worries. The worry I'm concerned about is, well, what if I don't sell and then I ride this stock all the way back down? That is more important to me than missing out on a little bit of profit versus missing out on the entire profit because began bag holding and didn't follow my rules. Remember, I'm not here to be perfect. I'm here to implement progress. And that's what we do every single day and what we work towards within our Learn, Plan, Profit group. So again, if you want to work with me on a closer basis, I offer nothing else. This is the only thing that I offer. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. We're running our biggest sale to kick off the new year, and we're giving away a free mystery box with every person that signs up for Learn, Plan, Profit 2.0. You actually get it for free at checkout. And if you don't know how to get access to that, then make sure you head on over to my Instagram and I break down exactly how you can get access to that free mystery box, which is pretty much a day trading starter kit. You get a free mouse pad, you get a free flag, you get a free trading journal, and also you get a free Wall Street tee. So it's all available again, and it all comes included right now for Learn, Plan, Profit 2.0, and that's that second link down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I'm pumped to see you guys for that FOMC minutes report that's going to be released today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. All you need to do is subscribe, and I'll take care of the rest. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.